has reached an agreement with the Renault Group to use the French company's AMPR platform for at least two of its affordable electric vehicles for the European market. The Blue Oval will use the Renault 5 and 4 platform to create a city car, expected to arrive in early 2027 and will be the successor to the Fiesta, and a compact crossover, whose launch date is unknown but which is expected to replace the current Puma Gen E. The two cars will be designed by Ford and developed in collaboration with the Renault Group, which will produce them at its plant in northern France. The American manufacturer promises they will have authentic Ford DNA and distinctive driving dynamics. Despite the customizations, it's likely that Ford's new EVs will share much of their mechanicals with their Diamond-branded siblings, with front-wheel drive and engines, power outputs ranging from 95 to 150 horsepower, and 40 or 52 kilowatt-hours batteries. In addition to their collaboration on electric vehicles,